Happy Thursday. We are standing in one of our newest projects over in Burlington, not too far at all from Turntine Middle School, if you're familiar with the area. This one, as you can see all behind me, somebody else kind of got started on it before we got it, and they weren't able to finish. So we're going to come in here and pretty much redo everything and do it the way we want it. But it's going to be a pretty cool project. When it's finished, it's going to be a 3-bed, 2-bath. We are going to take this upstairs portion over here. We're going to bring it all the way across. So you will actually have a full second story when we're done with this one. As much as I love these vaulted ceilings, it's just, if we don't come all the way over, this area up here is just not going to be usable. It's basically just going to be attic space. So we really don't have a choice on that. We're going to have to bring that over to make it livable. But of course, we got walls coming out, got bathrooms being added. It's in a beautiful neighborhood. The exterior already looks pretty good. We were thinking about painting it, but for budget reasons, we might just leave it, but you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. It's a super cute house already. Got a couple more windows we still got to fix, but all in all, the exterior is pretty good. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this one. We are in the process right now of getting permits and everything pulled. So I would say probably in the next couple weeks, we'll have some crews in here and we'll start doing some new framing and getting everything rolling on this one. So stay tuned. This one's going to be good. If you like this stuff, go ahead and subscribe and stay up to date on everything we're doing.